Modular Solutions makes it easy for customers to access on-demand CAD and BIM data for its popular products, right from the website. Let's take a look. From the Modular Solutions homepage, you can access the CAD configurator from the top menu, or scroll down and click Guard Wall CAD Configurators. Choose the guarding section you need, and click Configure CAD to open the configurator. Use the drop-down options and scales on the left to customize the part to fit your design needs. Meanwhile, the configurator generates an accurate part number that reflects your custom part. On the right, you see an interactive 3D image of the part you configured, which you can rotate, pan, and zoom within the 3D viewer. If you would like pricing on a configured guard section or sections, please copy the part numbers and send those to sales@themodularsolution.com. When you're happy with the product, click the settings icon next to Generate CAD, and then click Add Formats. Choose from over 150 file formats and versions, so you get a file that works natively in your preferred software. You can also download a 3D PDF datasheet, which includes a 3D viewer, technical drawings and data, as well as a bill of materials. This is great for those who need to access the product data, but don't need a large CAD or BIM file. Finally, click Start Generation. Once the file has loaded, click Download. For more CAD and BIM models of guarding solutions you need, go to themodularsolution.com or modguard.com, and visit partsolutions.com to learn more about online solutions for industrial manufacturers.